The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Alright, so I'm just living in somebody else's house then. I just purchased this house. It's going on TMZ in 2-3 days. I didn't want him to run the article because I didn't want nobody to know where I live. And TMZ still got the information, so you guys will see it. I'm not here to talk about what's mine. I'm here to talk about the blessings that's about to come. New project on the way, brand new music. I got so much new music. Trippie Redd, Chris Brown, Tory Lanez, Jeremiah. Shout out Jeremiah. We just did a crazy ass banging record. Damn. What else? No, it's not, nigga. The fuck? Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom. Somebody just left a comment and said, this is one house. What the fuck? Are they crazy? These people are nuts. Like, what the fuck, Mom?
They know it's your house. They just playing with you.
They gotta play with me, man. What the fuck? I don't live in no one, nigga. I live with my mother and my sister. My sister just moved in because she just canceled her other apartment. She about to get a whole nother van. Yo, Star, you look healthy. Good to see you. Thank you, man. God is amazing, man. I'm blessed, you know, I'm blessed to where I can't even, I don't live with nobody, nigga. I live with my mother. That's it. And my sister. You know what I'm saying? Why they get cars in Jamaica. For the 5th million times. But see, I've explained yourself to nobody. Yeah, I ain't explaining myself to nobody, man.
They said something about us was your house.
No, I know. Mama just like to correct the internet because the internet just be running with so much motherfucking shit. Hey, look. C's in the chicken there.
Get the paperwork. That's all you need. You don't need to prove nothing to these people.
I don't prove nothing to nobody, mommy. I hate alone, I worry about them. But them people I love chat up them bumble club more like they don't have nothing to do. They must not have nothing to do.
Don't feed into them.
I'm not feeding to them, but more I tell the people more they need to learn. If you stay in their own business and mind them business. What's not for them, it's not for them. Don't go up on the internet and I talk and I film people things I don't know what go on. You know what I'm saying? Period. Oh, my boy Quando Ronald just hit me, man. Oh God, man. Do your mom still have the food truck? No, she doesn't have the food truck anymore. We're opening a restaurant. It should be open around September. It depends on the corona, but we definitely gonna get some restaurant because her food. Somebody said I respect your mom. Thank you, Mama Kingston is the best, man.
What up?
Shout out Rocket right there, my nigga, man. Rocket, Pluto. You know what I'm saying? Don't play with us. Over and over and over.
I've been singing that for the last 5 minutes.
Oh God, that shit.
Fire.
Oh, you didn't hear that one, Mom?
I heard both of them.
No, you didn't hear the one I did. I gotta hear that.
Wait, no, last time?
No, man, a couple days me do. Me say, buddy, oh fuck.
Yeah, you
I hear the one. You got Trippie Redd one.
I got you.
I'm serious.
What you say?
I want you to give me vocal lessons so I can start doing some of my songs. I could, I sound light skinned.
No, sir.
Put a little touch on it.
You want some light skin, bro?
What? Yeah, I got a pool table, nigga. I told you, I just got that bitch. I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah, that's what happened. The girls were there. It was balloons over it. But I ain't gonna lie, I just ordered it though. It just came like a week and a half ago. That bitch ready. Look, brand new pool table in the motherfucking.
I'm proud of you, fool. So proud of you. So proud of you. Yeah, man, these niggas crib ain't having no pool table, man. You niggas ain't having half. These niggas crib ain't got no pool. No pool table, you niggas ain't got no pool.
Bro.
having that shit.
What you said?
Don't play with my big bro. He having that shit. Man, been in the game for so long. Shit's so listen to the ball. Man, you gave half of these the sauce. You got half of these the sauce.
They don't know that
They just ran off with it.
They just ran off with the sauce. A lot of the sauce came from us. Let them know, Rocky. Yeah, come on, man. Let them know, my nigga.
Sauce like mommy I cook on the
Good sauce like mommy I cook on the bumper clutch store. Over and over and over. Hey, gang shit, no lame shit. I love you guys. New music coming soon. Keep streaming, keep paying attention, keep blogging, keep talking. All that motherfucking shit, man. We coming, man. Big songs on the way. All my fans, I love you guys for real, man.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, Seriousskilla is here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. You know, I have one more video I'm going to present to you, so do not touch that dial. Alright, but really and truly though, viewers and subscribers, you know, I have another video that I'm going to present to you. That video is going to show off someone, you know, saying some things about Ninjaman. You know what I say? I'm going to soon talk about that person, really. Alright, now the video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to what has been said about it on social media, is that it is said that Sean Kingston went on social media and responded to rumors. Rumors like where it is said that Sean Kingston's cars had been repossessed, you know, and other things as well. As I say, well, anyways, you know, just let me know what you think about some of the things that Sean Kingston had said, viewers and subscribers. All right, yeah, there's speculations about his lifestyle and all kind of things about him on social media. You see me I say? Alright, but anyways, big up Sean Kingston. And right about now, I'm going to present a video to you right about now that shows off a person. According to what has been said on social media, is that this person's name is Flitters Boss. Flitters Boss, big up yourself, you know. Now, Flitters Boss now did a video, and that video is out there on social media where he's defending Ninjaman. Really and truly though, viewers and subscribers, some of the things that he had said, you know, is really and truly some positive things. Is what I'm saying to you. Like some things that he had said is really uplifting, you know, and you know, he's trying to show somewhat of a respect out there for the Jamaican musician who's known as Ninjaman. You see me? Yeah, someone wants a big up and respect to Ninjaman, and more wants a big up and respect to Flitters Boss. And here's the video right about now, viewers and subscribers, so that you can hear for yourself what he has to say. All right? Now take a look, listen, and observe.
Yo, I'm the king of God, this, you know. Here I go, I'm going to match up this fast and quick, you know. Easily me I must stop. Here I go. I want some of my friend them. Please stop. Call my phone, Virgin. Over the years, nearly 21 years, me I look after you know. So what? You know, put on a sweetie. Stop calling my phone. Here me want call me. Here again, who me want call me. Want some like a baby call me, some like a children. Some kids want call my phone. Yeah, and some like old people can call me too. Brother. Stop calling my phone, brother, and not stress me out. England shut down and look like I don't want to shut down me, brethren. My vice. Leave my phone alone, brethren. 21 years now I get pay goodies. Make somebody different now get a sweetie, brother. Tired of it now. And the next thing more I match so quick and fast, because I do this fast. Because I want to cook some food for my family. You understand? So, make I do this fast. Brother. Oh, nobody now talk about Ninjaman. The great legend, the great pioneer. But nobody now talk about Ninjaman, brethren. Brother, me do that thing quick, brother. Me say Ninjaman go a country, don't give woman house. Me say Ninja don't give 1 foot man house and food. So brother, me take out my glass to that video. So brethren, no man can do a video and say Ninjaman a good you. One little rare them set up and rare. Nobody remember good Ninjaman. Brother, some man stop calling my phone because same thing gonna do to me too, you know. Wanna do me, you know. Wanna sell me out for brother and butter, you know. I wanna sell out, brother. I pay good people, wanna sell out. Great Ninjaman. Well, make a walk, go a sting. Nobody remember Ninjaman. Ninjaman give no out. Me see the man give no bun and cheese in the rain. Me see the man feeding like how God feed on the virgin. And nobody remember Ninjaman, brother. It hurt and wicked, brother. Ninjaman a good youth, brother. I mean, I want to do a video in an eyeglass and see my eyes, virgin, and see my heart, brother. Brother, we need to stand up because no, we're not perfect, you know. We are human being, things happen, brethren. And remember the great thing we are man, the brother. Quick and fast, me I do a video, brother. 1 foot man, do a video, brother, and big up Ninjaman, brother. The woman of Ninjaman give the house, brother, on your own house. What? Do something and big up Ninjaman, brother. What can't make the man name just God subvirgin. Me I tell you straight, brother. Do something for Ninjaman. Talk about Ninjaman. Keep the man name pumping, brother. Ninjaman a good youth, brother. No man no remember Ninjaman, brother. Nobody no remember Ninja. Ninja real. Youth never walk through a planet, brother. And me I tell you the good soldier them get the fight, brother. Cause the amount of bun and cheese and bread and butter, I see them and they pack up in them car go a country to give people and help people, brother. You see me I say the youth does make a little ray, and you understand? Like the man do nothing, brother. Cause nobody not see the man do nothing, brother. Why me not talk business about that? Talk, cause me not business about people, you know. That me I tell a man, you know. Me I talk me say how the man broke him bun and cheese and him bread and butter and give people clothes and barrel and everybody they pan Linja and what. So nothing I go on the man remember the garden, brother. Brother for free up. I want some man, brother, know say yo, Ninjaman a real youth, brother. I mean no bag of long talking, brother. Cause anything we do right now is history. Cause the people have them ice, man, flitters, cause they taught the truth. And the truth, brother. Remember Ninjaman, man. Remember the garden. Remember the bread where the youth broke, brother. And stop fight against real people, brother. When you see a man have a heart and broke the brother and share it, you need to embrace that person, brother. Stop fight against a good, hardcore, a Jamaica, the root of Jamaica. Please, me I beg on Jamaica. Now the time I want to forget together, and brother, and so I go on. Get together and unite as one nation, one country, one Jamaica. Black people me I talk to. Now the time at 21 years me I tell you, brother. And see it at me there. Find yourself here. Please find yourself, brother. This is the last day, brother. Last day, find on yourself and love each other. And love the real youth that will stand up for Jamaica, brother. Just get together and keep Ninjaman on a prayer, brother. No man did not talk about Ninjaman, brother. And brother, I'm not want to get in it, brother, because I'm a man chewing up it. Brother, I'm not big up Ninjaman, brother. Talk about Ninjaman, brother. And the flitters. A fritters, because I don't have much to say, brother. That's a fritters, a ragga brother. People, peace and love, brother. I'm going to cook some food right now, brother. Corona, go on where you got to, man. The people that look food and eat food and make them money, brother. Tired of that dirty thinking girl named Corona, man. Go on where you got Corona, dirty name, virgin. I don't believe in a name, a dirty girl. Go on where you got poor people that eat food and come out of their mouth, virgin. And in a 2 months, a dirty girl will sit down and chop. Yo, people, chop. Yo, peace and love here. Because you know me, is a man who me chop. Get behind me, Satan. Please, get behind me. Me do God will. Go on where you go carry on. Every time you hear your name, virgin. I would dirty girl. Every time you hear your name, just get for me head, brother. I want to come out of my house. Fritters here. Love God and live, brother. Hate him and die, brother. Peace. Ninjaman, you're real. Keep strong, brother. Big up all of the artists, them. Wife Cartel, same way. You see me? It's love. All of the youth, them when they are prison. Love, same way. All of the youth, them when I walk street. Love, same way. Just keep it one black love and just behave on yourself. Just behave on yourself and just hold the thing. And just know, say, yo, things happen, and then I do it again. That F wanna do it, and then I do it again. Just make things dead and just, I could live as one nation, brother. I'm gonna cook some food. I love everybody. Peace and love. Corona, make the people go to them food. Go on where you go. I'm the king of stages. Peace. Love. Big D. Big up yourself too. Whole team. Peace. Flitters. Adios.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, you don't know me, Dancehall. Me all day, so if you keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I go on. And you can let me know what you think about the things that has been said in these videos. Alright? So until the next time, my name is Dancehall. Oh no, big up on yourself.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall 10.